What you guys, got another video on how to skip the forced Microsoft account on Windows 11. Now you may be wondering, why do I need to show you another method? The reason why is because Microsoft have blocked a lot of the old methods on how to bypass the forced Microsoft account. So when you get to this window, we used to push Shift F10 and it would open up a command prompt. And what you would do from here is, during the installation process, you would normally type OOBE and you put / and you would then type here bypass-nro and push enter. And this would normally reboot the system and it will basically allow you to bypass the forced Microsoft account and put you straight into a local account. Unfortunately, Microsoft have now blocked this because they deemed it as a security risk. And they mentioned this on their blog post, which I mentioned in yesterday's video. So if you want to watch that one, you can do after you've watched this one. But you can see here, announcing Windows 11 inside a preview build 26200.5516 in the dev channel. If you read this article, it will go into great detail about some of the changes that are going to be coming in the up and coming builds. So it's not in place yet, but it could be very, very soon. I've got a suspicion that it will be definitely in 25H2 and it could be even in 24H2 very soon. It says we're removing the bypass nro.cmd script from the build to enhance security and user experience on Windows 11. Yeah, right. It just means that they're trying to force you to use a Microsoft account. It even says here, internet connectivity with a Microsoft account right here. So they want to ensure that users are going to be having an internet connectivity and a Microsoft account. So they don't want you having a local account. Once they get this information, it doesn't matter whether you switch back to a local account, they've already got your information and they know who you are. But basically, if you want to bypass it, you need to use this new method instead of the old one. And it's called start space ms-cxh : local only. If you type that command in and push enter, it will open up another window. And this is even better than the bypass nro command that you used to use, because you had to reboot the system and all that sort of stuff. Now you don't have to. You just type this command out, and basically what it will do is it will open up another window to set up your account. You can see here, create a user account for this PC. And all you need to do right here is put in a user account name, put your password in if you want to use one, push next, and basically that is it. So I'm not going to use a password here. I'm just going to put my username right here. And what we'll do is push next. And straight away, what will happen is it will bypass the Microsoft account right here and put you straight into a local account. And that's exactly what you should be doing on all of your installs. Now, the thing that's really annoying is the reason why Microsoft are actually going out of their way to block all of these methods. I really don't understand it. And the reason why I say that is because it should be a choice, an option for people to opt in to have a Microsoft account or a local account. It shouldn't be a forced thing that Microsoft are trying to put onto people. And this is going to drive people away. It really will. So now I'm just going to quickly go through the setup process here. And we're at the desktop right here. Let me just make this screen a little bit bigger so we can see what we're doing here. But we are already, as you can see, on a local account, no Microsoft account needed. And this is exactly what they should give you an option to do. Why don't they just implement that option as a rocker button on the sign up, so you don't have to type anything out with Shift F10 and give it an option to people? I don't understand it. I really don't. Now, in yesterday's video, I noticed that a lot of comments were saying that Chris Titustek has already worked out a way of doing this and posted a video. I don't think he's worked this out for himself. I think he's probably got it from the same source as me, which is this person right here on Twitter. That's where I found it. But that's the earliest one I could find. And maybe there's ones out there that have done it before this person. I really don't know. But that's where I got my source from. I like to share the source for things like this because obviously it's important to give them credit because they're the ones that have actually found the workaround rather than yourself. So I'd like to give credit where credit's due. Anyway, that said, let me know your thoughts in the comments section down below. Not sure how long this bypass will last. Hopefully it will last a long time, because obviously Microsoft are doing their best to shut these down as quick as possible. Anyway, with that said, my name has been Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Big shout out to all my YouTube members. I really do appreciate the support. I shall catch you in the next video, or I'll catch you on the Discord server. Bye for now.